Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to see your iPhone storage on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your storage capacity on your iPhone, you can spot the settings application on your iPhone or tap on that settings. And over here guys, on the settings menu, just scroll down a little bit to the downside and you will be able to spot the general settings over here just below the screen time. Tap on that general, and after landing over here you can see the iPhone storage option available for us just above the background app refresh. So in order to view your iPhone storage, tap on that iPhone storage option. And over here guys, you can see how much of your iPhone storage is used and its capacity over here, and what are using your iPhone storages, which app is using the most over here. And there guys, this is how you see your iPhone storage on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.